Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy stuff on Temu using your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to have the Temu app on your phone. If it's not downloaded you can download it from Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once you download it, open the app, then search for the stuff you want to buy. And once you search for the stuff you want to buy, you have to select the stuff. Then you have to click on add to cart button, which is at the bottom of your screen. Then select the colors or sizes, etc. Then add to cart. Once you add it to cart, you can tap on go to cart. Once you go to cart, you can tap on checkout option. Then you have to fill in the payment details. Once you do that, you'll be able to buy stuff on Temu. And that's it. That's how you buy stuff from Temu. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.